Hello students, myself Jiten Kumar Chauhan from ABS Engineering College. Today we are going to discuss about the topic carry Lookahead adder. So what is carry Lookahead adder? It's basically a carry Lookahead adder is a type of fast parallel adder used in the digital logic to calculate the carry signals in advance from the input signals. So here we are not getting any propagation delay as in case of the ripple carry adder. So this basically reduces the carry propagation time and implement the addition of the binary numbers. And it is also known as carry lookahead ahead generator or the fast adder or the carry predictor. And it is an improvement over the ripple carry adder circuit. So let's look in this circuit. This is a full adder using two half adder. And in this full adder circuit, we have the three inputs, which is the 1-bit addition. There's X naught, then Y naught, and the previous carry, that is C naught. So first, the X naught, Y naught bits operations produces a P naught, which is known as the carry propagated. And finally, with the XOR operation with the C naught, which is the previous carry, it generated the sum output S naught. So finally, the S naught is basically written in terms of the carry propagate. There's a P naught, XOR, C naught. This is the basic first equation. Then the carry output is the C1 in terms of the previous carry C naught is actually comes out to be the C naught equals to G naught. There is a carry generated plus the P naught, C naught. And the G naught, basically the carry generated is the X naught, Y naught, and the carry propagated P naught is equals to X naught, XOR, Y naught. So these two basic equations, the carry generated, which is known as the X naught, Y naught, and the carry propagated, which is a P naught equals to X naught, XOR, Y naught, is a carry propagated signals. So these are the basic base equations by which we are using basically derive the rest of the carry propagation output in terms of the 4-bit carry adder. So let's look in case of the ripple carry adder, as you can look in this circuitry. So in this carry 4-bit triple carry adder, this carry output C1 is written in terms of the G naught plus P naught C naught. C2 is written in terms of the G1 plus P1 C1. C3 is written as a G2 plus P2 C2, and the C4 is written as G3 plus P3 C3. There's a 4-level circuit. So the base equation we are already getting, that is a C naught is equal to C1 is equals to G naught plus P naught C naught. And the C naught is the previous carry. So these formulas are deeply nested, and now we can derive the rest of carry output. Let's say C2 is equals to G1 plus P1 C1, and the C1 we already know. The C1 is basically your G naught plus P naught C naught. To replace this equation here in terms of the P naught, so we can say that G naught plus P naught C naught. So finally, the C2 is comes out with the G1 plus P1 G naught plus P1 P naught C naught. So here we can propagation of the carry C1 is avoided, and we are getting the equation in terms of the carry previous carry, that is a C naught here. In the same manner, we are getting the C3 here, and the C3 basically the C3 is written as G2 plus P2 C2, and we are already deriving the equations for the C2. So we can replace these equation C2 here, and we can write the G1 plus P1 G naught plus P1 P naught C naught. So finally, we are getting the C3 in terms of the previous carry C naught. And the final C4 basically written as a G3 plus P3 C3, and the C3 we can already derive in the previous equation. This is your basically the C3, and we can replace this C3 here, and then we can write this whole equations, and we are getting the C4 again in terms of the C naught, which is now the previous carry. So we can basically generate with the help of the combination circuit, we can create an advanced circuitry to provide the input to the full adder circuit in case of the carry lookahead adder. So these are basically the circuitry based on the equations, and here we are getting basically the carry generated and the carry propagated in terms of the each bit operation, like the G naught P naught, G1 P1, G2 P2, G3 P3, and finally the sum output, that's S naught, S1, S2, S3, and finally the carry generated here. And these are basically the carry generated equations. This is in terms of the carry lookahead generator. We are getting basically the C3, C2, C1, and this is basically the previous carry, which is known as C naught. So now the advantage of the carry lookahead circuit is basically we need not to wait for the propagation of the carries to get the sum. So the circuit is faster, produces the more correct results as compared to the ripple carry adder. And the carry lookahead improves the speed by reducing the amount of time required to determine the carry bits. So this is the advantage of the carry lookahead over the ripple carry adder. The carry lookahead adder calculates the one or the more carry bits before the sum, which reduces the wait time to calculate the result of the larger value bits. So in overall, we can say the waiting time for the which basically we are waiting in terms of the ripple carry adder is basically reduces in case of the carry lookup adder circuit. But in spite of these advantages, we can have the drawback as well. So here, in case of the drawback, we can say the disadvantage of the carry lookup adder is that the carry logic blocks gets very complicated for the more than 4 bits. As we can say that we have the long equations, we need the more circuitry to basically produce the uh, equations to produce the input in advance. So there is a restriction in terms of the hardware restriction. So we can say for that reasons, the carry lookup adders are usually implemented as the 4-bit modules and are used in the hierarchical structures to realize the adders that have the multiple of 4 bits. These are the references used in creating these slides.